Hi guys, welcome back to our channel here at Aesthetics and Wellness. I hope everyone's doing well. So in today's video, we'll be talking about LED facials, which is a great addition we have here at the clinic. So if you want to hear more, keep on watching. So guys, you might have heard of LED facials. They look a little bit space age. You know, you put this light over your face, it's different colors, and it helps with different skin concerns. So these facial treatments are excellent aesthetic tools that target everything from rosacea, inflammation, fine lines, to hyperpigmentation, sagging skin, and acne. So LED facials, they leverage the benefits of light on the skin without the harm of UV rays that you can get by just sun tanning on the beach. So during your facial, your skin will clean it really thoroughly. Take off the top layer. We could do a couple of options. We can do a light microderm with, to just buff up the top layer of skin because we want the light to really penetrate your skin for the best result. And then we'll apply a serum because it becomes active during the light treatment, and then we'll choose the light color depending on your concerns. So you can choose between red, yellow, blue, or green, but don't just pick based on your favorite color. You need to pick based on what your concern is. So let me tell you a little bit more about each color. So let's talk about blue. So the wavelength blue is about between 450 to 495 nanometers. And this is good at a few things. For one, it can kill bacteria on your skin. Now, we all have bacteria on our skin, but sometimes these bacteria are pathogenic, as we call it, because they can cause things like dermatitis, they can cause acne, they can cause folliculitis and pustules, where your skin is just not looking right. So you may want to use blue light if you have these concerns. Because it's a relatively in the short spectrum, this can also be used in the treatment of malignant or pre-malignant lesions in a medical, if you want to, they do that in some more dermatologist offices and oncologists. They can target that in that way. So this will be beneficial for a sun-damaged epidermis because remember, getting skin cancer usually starts as a process where your skin is damaged by the sun, and then free radicals form, and these go down a whole pathway which causes you to get your cells and the DNA of your cells to be damaged, and then they replicate abnormal cells which cause cancer. So that's blue light for you. So choose that if you have these concerns. Okay, let's talk about red. So the wavelength of red light is between 570 nanometers to 620 nanometers. So you can see it's a little bit higher on the spectrum than blue light. So this low-level light therapy is also called cold laser therapy. And this treats wrinkles and rejuvenates the skin because it gets in a little bit deeper. So what it does when it passes through the epidermis, there's something called collagen. Collagen, as we get older, it just sort of, we make less and less of it. And the collagen is the building blocks of the skin that makes it a lot more rich and tight. Young skin has a lot more collagen. So the red light will target the cells that make collagen, the fibroblasts, and help them to be more active. So this improves stretch marks, skin laxity, and wrinkles. It stimulates healing of the skin. And the other good thing about red light is it activates any topicals you put on. So if we give you a serum using red light, it'll be a lot more active. It'll be like it's now on steroids or something. So I recommend red light if you have concerns about aging skin with wrinkles, fine lines, and the lack of collagen. So the next light I want to tell you about is green light. So this wavelength is between 495 to 570 nanometers, a little bit more than red light. This one is calming. So think of green like if you're out in the forest and you see those animals and the birds and the monkeys as screaming. I don't know if that's calming. Ignore that. But green light has a calming effect on the skin. It gives your skin a brighter complexion. It gives you that inner glow because it has great anti-inflammatory properties. So with red light, it will benefit clients who have inflammation on the skin, if you have those red patches, you have the dermatitis, you have the inflammation, the rosacea, I think the green light facial would be for you. All right, let's finally talk about yellow light. So yellow light, this wavelength is from 570 to 620. So it's further up on the spectrum. So we like going for a rainbow, right? So what does yellow light do? This one is effective for healing skin issues. So if you have wounded skin, it'll be great at healing those, and particularly good at skin that has, those spider veins and the rosacea and those dilated capillaries, because it can target hemoglobin, and it will help to, reduce redness, which is great. It also boosts the lymphatic flow of the skin. So skin that's a little bit swollen and just puffy looking, you find that, you get that puffiness under your eyes, for example, when you wake up. A yellow light facial would be helpful in that regard. The lymphatics also clear toxins from the skin. So if you use a yellow light facial, you will have a great effect at overall reducing puffiness, removing toxins, and just getting a very nice glow. So to recap, we have the LED facial here with different light wavelengths that you can choose. So you can choose green, yellow, red, or blue. You'll get your mask of choice, and you'll get to relax here with us, and we'll talk about other options, so come in for a consultation. We'll be happy to see you. Our information is down below in the description box. So thank you so much for watching today. If you look in the next clip, we'll show you a demonstration of the LED facial. Thank you. So a quick demo of the lights. So of course we have red light. You can see this will target wrinkles. It will make serums more active. Red light is great for boosting collagen. Here is the green light, very calming for persons with rosacea or redness and inflammation. We have the blue light. This is good for toxins, kills bacteria. It also treats precancerous lesions. And yellow light or amber light. This light is great for lymphatic drainage, for clearing toxins from the skin. So you can pick whatever light you want. It's just a press of the button. We can switch it up for you if you have multiple skin concerns.